Hello. Welcome back to the vlog. I know it has been a minute since I posted a vlog video, but welcome back. I'm in my office right now, as you can see. I decided to come on here and do an impromptu vlog because I'm about to head out for a pickup from IKEA. I've been working on this room lately. I need a new office chair. Look at this chair, it's terrible. Yeah, it's worn down. So I saw a chair that I want. I need to get my camera fixed. But I've ordered some other stuff. So got the wall art up. Need to vacuum and pick up this little stuff. And then I do have my rug that I do want to put up. And I want to get one of those steamers, y'all. You know, like the little handheld steamers. I have a steamer, but I kind of wish my guy had placed my curtain rod a little further out. But the only reason why I think maybe he did it that way was because, you know, I got the closet here. I don't know. But I'm going to IKEA to pick up an item that I ordered, and they canceled my order the other day, so I need to go get it today.
And go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that.
Hey y'all, I'm finally home. My battery is going dead. I stopped at Target, picked up a few things, some snacks and some drinks for my drink reel tomorrow that I'm gonna try to shoot early. I'm gonna hurry up and get off of here because my battery is going dead, but I do have a big day tomorrow. Starting off early, so I'm gonna try to go to bed a little bit at a decent hour tonight, because I do have a wax appointment in the morning time. I might be going to the rodeo tomorrow. My homegirl got some tickets. So what else? Laundry list of things to do, a long list to do. So I'm just gonna eat and I'll see y'all in the morning. Running late once again, the story of my life. I have a wax appointment that I'm supposed to be at in 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. I'm gonna be about 10 minutes late because it takes me about 15 minutes to get there. So yeah. Be it.
All right, everything looks good on the screen?
Yes.
What's the other window?
Thank you.
Thank you.
He has been cute if he was gold. Guys, I'm finally home. Excuse my house. I got this beauty. I'll cut the light on. I picked this up at Home Goods. And it was crazy because I just said I wanted to, well, I'm redoing my half-ass entryway, which is not really an entryway, but it is officially, it's an entryway, but it's very small. And I think I said on one of my vlogs that I wanted to repaint my living room a lighter gray color, more like my kitchen wall opposed to this side, but more like this side. But anyway, I haven't decided what color I might do the entryway, like an accent color. I really want to do it black, and I think the gold mirror will pop. So I can't, how can I describe? This is more like a kind of bronze gold. It's it has a coating kind of on it. I was hoping I didn't scratch it when I put it in a basket, but this was the price. But it was $129.99, so $130. Thought it was a really good deal. I'm about to see pretty much how it would look on the wall over there. And then I'm tired, y'all. I need to be cleaning up, but honestly, I just don't feel like it. I need to be cleaning up. Was gonna be doing a drink reel tonight. I think what I'm gonna do is just get me a little hour of sleep in, just an hour. The drink reel may be later on tonight, about 9:30, 10ish. And I'm gonna try to go ahead and film that. I was gonna go to the rodeo with my friends, but if I go to the rodeo, I think they're getting ready to go in about an hour or so. And yeah, I'm just not ready. I need to touch up my hair. I would literally have to put my hair up in a bun, do something with it, okay? Take another shower, put makeup on. I should go because I need to live my life outside of this house, but I just don't feel like it. I'm tired. I'm tired after ripping and running. Oh, let me show y'all these too. I got these champagne, like gold, champagne color, like velvet pillowcases from IKEA yesterday. They were $7 and they're 20 by 20. I need they're just the covers. I need to get the pillows, but I guess y'all see what I'll decide here in a minute, but I'm gonna get off of here because I need to do something, and that something is either I have to go to sleep or get ready to go to the rodeo. Hey guys, what's up? It is Saturday. I crashed on the couch last night. I didn't do, neither did I clean up or did I go to the rodeo. So that was that. I ate that food and it was a wrap. I'm about to get ready to go meet my cousin at the mall, and it's about 12 o'clock, and then I've got to come back to the house and get ready for my cabinet to be hung. My friend is coming over to rehang a cabinet that I paid this guy. Long story short, he didn't hang it right. I got so much stuff to do today, so I'm gonna try to stop into Home Goods. Try on haul. Twinsies. Why are you eating it? This is actually really cute. But yeah, it is kind of big. You see how in the front?
Yeah.
And then look like, yeah. And it's like this. But damn, this would have been cute. She got me in here spending money.
Yes, ma'am.
Grabbing me something to eat at Chick-fil-A. It's rainy out. I don't even know. I'm well past the time that he was supposed to come hang the cabinet, but he might not even feel like hanging it now at this point. But we'll see. I'm going to go home, call him, and I think I am just going to relax for the rest of the day or the evening. So I might get some more footage in, or I might just decide to end the vlog, but I don't have anything too much else planned other than cleaning up when I get home, eating, getting the cabinet hung, and planning content for next week for IG. Yeah. Have you I agree with everything you say in your post. Yeah, corporate America ain't, you know what I'm saying, that bad, but it ain't all that good either. It ain't nothing like doing some shit that you really want to do, that you have a passion and drive for. Oh yeah, baby, no, they wasn't gonna have you do none of that, girl. I remember when I quit.
Are you sure? Because I went shopping. I thought you might be craving ice cream. Cliche. Alright. And chocolate. Because you know it is vanilla. Thanks. Guess it's a little cold for ice cream today. Shall I put it in the freezer? That'd be great. Oh, come on.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Sunday. I just got home from the grocery store. I went to my friend Keisha's house and she took a couple of pictures for me for Instagram. I guess I'll do a quick grocery haul. I finally went to the doggone grocery store. I did put up a few of the groceries already, but I'll show you guys what I picked up in this dirty kitchen I gotta clean up. Picked up a couple of avocados. I figured why not go ahead and eat a few more before they stop shipping them from Mexico here. I'm gonna make some tacos right now, so I got some lettuce for the tacos, got some broccolini. I'm thinking about making some salmon one day this week, and I've been wanting to make some egg rolls. I made some a long time ago. They were really good. I stayed off of them because my blood pressure kind of got a little high from eating them. Got some lemons. Gotta have some lemons for food and drinks. I was feeling like some corn on the cob, so I picked that up. I got my salmon here, which I need to hurry up and put in the freezer. It is on some ice. These are delicious. I usually like to eat these on a salad or for a snack. Sometimes I mix them with the regular pecans. Pecans are high, y'all. And then I like to eat my guacamole, which I'm gonna use the avocados for, with some Fritos scoops. Got some grapes. I'm gonna clean those off and store those in my new container that I picked up from TJ Maxx the other day. What else I got? Got some strawberries. I also picked up some seasonings. I'm gonna give this a try. I like the I have another one. It's like a white wine season rub. I use that one on my seafood. Got some garlic salt. Gonna make some ground beef tacos right now. So I got the taco and I got me some delicious Mr. Good Bar. Mr. Good Bar is my favorite candy bar, aside from Snickers. So I'm just going to finish putting up these groceries and then fix me something to eat. Oh yeah, and I picked up some eggs, which I have over there. I'm gonna put in the container, but I'm gonna get my groceries out of these bags. I'm gonna wipe off my groceries and rinse off my fruits so I can put them in a little storage thing. And I'm about to cook because your girl is hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day today. All I had was a cup of coffee, so I am starving.
In that specific investigation. And in West Houston, around 1:30 this morning, police riders met for a rally in Northeast Houston.
Selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, maybe. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke live cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in the streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my lady.
Got my dinner, guys. I'm about to pour me up some wine. It's a little bubbly. Dinner is ready. I'm gonna eat, wash the dishes, and finally go to bed. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna try to vlog every week so that you all can get a new vlog up every Thursday, because I'm redoing my channel. I think I mentioned it. So I'm just trying to figure out, you know, a balance in what day I'm gonna vlog or have a weekly vlog up. So anyway, check this vlog out. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Love you guys.